Alex, are you busy right now?
Not really. Why, Lina?
I feel bored at home. I want to do something fun today.
What kind of fun?
Maybe we can go outside. The weather is nice.
That sounds good. Maybe we can go for a walk.
Hello, everyone. What are you talking about?
Hi, Zoya! We are thinking about doing something fun.
That's perfect. I was feeling bored too.
Do you have any ideas?
Actually, I saw many street food stalls near the park yesterday.
Street food? Really?
That sounds interesting.
Yes, the street food here is amazing.
I love street food. I want to try it.
There were noodles, waffles, juice, and many other things.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
Should we invite Leo too?
Yes, Leo will love this idea.
Hi, Lina. Hi, Alex. Hi, Zoya.
Hi, Leo. We are planning something fun.
Really? What is it?
We want to go to the street food market near the park.
Street food? That sounds amazing.
There are many stalls there.
I want to try everything. Me too.
Okay, everyone, let's get ready.
Yes, let's go before it gets too late.
Tonight will be a fun street food adventure. I can't wait. Is everyone ready?
Yes, let's go.
I'm excited. I'm really hungry.
Me too. I skipped my snack for this. Leo, that was a risky decision.
I wanted to save space for street food. Smart idea. It was a good plan.
The market is near the park. It's about 10 minutes away.
That's not far.
I can already imagine the food.
What do you want to eat first?
Maybe noodles or burgers or waffles? Leo, you just said 3 different foods.
Yes, because I want all of them. Look at Leo. His food list is very long.
That's normal. He is 10 years old.
Hey, I just love food.
Same here.
Same here.
Do you hear that music?
Yes, that means we are close.
I can smell something delicious. I smell grilled food.
Do you hear that music?
Yes, that means we are close.
I can smell something delicious. I smell grilled food.
And I see colorful lights ahead.
Yes, that is the street food market. Wow, it looks amazing. There are so many stalls.
Okay, everyone, stay together.
First rule of street food night.
Eat a lot?
No. Don't get lost.
Good rule.
Okay, but the second rule should be eating a lot.
I agree with that rule.
All right, everyone, let's explore the food stalls.
Look, that noodle stall smells amazing.
Yes, I can smell the spices. The noodles look very colorful.
All right, let's try the noodles first. Hello, welcome. What would you like? Hello, what kind of noodles do you have? We have spicy noodles, sweet noodles, and vegetable noodles.
Wow, I want spicy. Spicy noodles sound exciting. Are they very spicy?
A little spicy, but very tasty.
I think we should try one plate first.
1 plate of spicy noodles, please. Sure, please wait a moment.
I'm so excited. Leo, you look like you haven't eaten for days.
I told you, I skipped my snack.
That explains everything.
Here you go. Enjoy. Thank you.
The noodles smell delicious. I want the first bite!
Careful, it might be hot.
I don't care. Oh, it's spicy! I told you. Drink some water. Drink some water.
But it's also very tasty.
Let me try.
Wow, the flavor is really good.
My turn. It's spicy but delicious. I like it too. I think we should buy another plate.
Slow down, Leo. There are many more stalls.
Yes, our street food adventure just started.
That spicy noodle was amazing.
Yes, but my mouth is still a little hot.
I see a drink stall over there.
We can get drinks later. Look there.
Where?
That burger stall.
Oh, wow, the burgers look huge. And they smell so good. Let's go check it out.
Hello, fresh burgers. Come and try. Hello. What kind of burgers do you have? Chicken burgers, cheeseburgers, and double burgers. Double burgers?
Leo, don't even think about it,
Why not?
because you already ate spicy noodles.
Still time to change your mind.
But I'm still hungry.
Of course you are.
I think one burger is enough for you. That sounds good.
2 cheeseburgers and 1 chicken burger, please. Sure. Please wait a minute.
I love street food.
This place is really fun.
Look at all the lights and people.
Yes, the market is very lively tonight. Your burgers are ready. Thank you.
Wow, look at the melted cheese.
It looks delicious.
I'm taking the first bite.
Careful again, Leo.
This is amazing. Let me try mine. Oh, wow, it's very juicy.
This burger's really good.
Street food never disappoints. I think this is the best burger ever.
You say that about every food.
Because every food here is amazing. I wonder what we should try next.
Something sweet. I knew you would say that.
All right, let's go find a dessert stall.
I see something sweet over there.
Where?
That colorful stall with lights. Ah, that's an ice cream and waffle stall. Hello, welcome. We have ice cream, waffles, and chocolate desserts.
Wow, everything looks delicious. Look at those colorful ice creams.
And the waffles with chocolate on top?
What should we try?
I want ice cream and waffles. Leo, you cannot eat everything. Why not?
Because you will feel too full.
Okay, I will start with ice cream. I want a chocolate waffle.
I'll take vanilla ice cream. I'll try strawberry ice cream. Good choices. Please wait a moment. This place is really beautiful at night.
Yes, the lights make it look magical.
Your desserts are ready.
Thank you.
This ice cream is really good.
Yes, I think it's the best ice cream ever.
Tonight was a great night.
Good food, bright lights, and good company.
I'm really happy we came here together.
Me too. This was the best street food adventure.
Next time, we should come again.
Yes, and try even more food.
That sounds like a great plan.
Look at the lights. They are beautiful. The night feels so peaceful.
I will always remember this evening.